Hey guys, welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. As some of you may have noticed, I've been putting out videos like every other week now. Things were kind of crazy with work, and we were doing stuff around the house that hopefully with all that stuff done and work hopefully starting to wind down a little bit, we can get back on track by doing our weekly videos. So on this video, we are going to do a nice and simple thick cut pork chops smoked with some apple wood and a maple mustard glaze. So let's get going. All right, we got our kettle fired up. I got some mesquite in there. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of apple wood. Get our rack on. Get this covered and let this go ahead and warm up. You know, I'm not really worried about temp, 275, 325, somewhere around there. We're gonna cook these sort of fast, so we'll give this time to heat up. Let's get our pork chops ready. So we got a couple of nice bone-in, thick cut chops right here. I'm gonna hit it with some GQ, the rub. This will give a nice sweetness to it. A little bit of salt, some peppers in there. Go ahead and get these on our grill. It's 275 right now. Go ahead and give these time to smoke up, and let's get our glaze ready. For our glaze, we're gonna start with some Dijon mustard. Some apple cider vinegar. Some soy sauce. We got some 100% pure maple syrup here. Get the good stuff. Don't skip on this. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do. We'll get this mixed up. And we're gonna give our pork chops, when they're halfway done, we'll start glazing this with our maple mustard glaze. All right, so our pork's been on for almost an hour now. Rub set up. I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting it with this glaze. We're looking for an internal temp of, about 145. All right, so our chops are just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and slide these over to direct heat. We're gonna get some nice caramelization going on these. All right, let's bite into these things. Maple mustard glazed pork chops. Now that's pretty damn good. It's nice and sweet. You get that mustard, a little tang from that mustard, some saltiness from that soy. I can see these on a slab of ribs or even on a ham this Easter coming up. Perfect glaze for a ham. Remember guys, give this recipe a try. Hit that thumbs up. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.